Hi, my name's Kirstie Palmer. I'm the new president and partner of Waypoints, and I'm really excited to introduce you to our new brand. We have 3 bases, the BVI's, Annapolis and Florida. A couple of weeks ago we held an open house down here in Annapolis. We brought down some lovely people who came and stepped on all our new Dufour and FP cats. Some of these cats will be staying here for the summer, and then we'll be travelling down to the BVI's where they'll be chartered from there. It was a great success and great to see everybody, and we're really excited to introduce our new brand, Waypoints. I've been doing this now for a long time, so we've probably got about 10,000 charters under my belt. With that, I've managed to create now a new luxury item here with the new charters, and what we're hoping to bring forward is a luxury boutique charter experience for all of our customers.